Welcome to the Secret Gadgets channel, where you can find the lastest gadgets that came in the market. Tired of bulky vacuums and tangled cords? Meet the Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Lightweight, powerful, and designed for effortless cleaning. Say goodbye to heavy vacuums. With its cordless design and powerful suction, cleaning has never been this easy. With advanced filtration, long-lasting battery, and multiple attachments, it's built for deep cleaning in every corner of your home. To save you time and money, we have collected the 5 best cordless stick vacuum cleaner on the market. You can see the product links in the description of the video below. Number 1. Meet the ABIR VC205 Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner, designed for powerful suction, intelligent cleaning, and effortless convenience. Equipped with infrared dust sensing, it automatically detects dust particles and adjusts suction power up to 27,000 PA, ensuring a deeper, more efficient clean. The built-in processor chip optimizes power usage, extending battery life for longer cleaning sessions. The smart touchscreen allows you to switch vacuum modes with ease, monitor battery levels, and track your progress. With multi-stage filtration and an E13-grade HEPA filter, it captures 99.97% of dust and allergens, making it perfect for pet owners and allergy sufferers. Weighing only 1.1 kilos, the VC205 can be transformed into a handheld vacuum for cars, sofas, and hard-to-reach areas. The LED floor brush light helps you see dirt in dark corners, while the 0.8L dust cup minimizes the need for frequent emptying. With washable components, multiple brush attachments, and easy maintenance, the ABIR VC205 is the ultimate cleaning solution for every home. Number 2. Introducing the Butour Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner, a high-performance cleaning solution designed for powerful suction, intelligent features, and effortless convenience. Powered by a 500 Bobros brushless motor, this vacuum delivers an impressive 48 kPa suction, effectively capturing debris, dust, and pet hair from any surface. With 2024 smart sensor technology, it automatically detects floor types and adjusts suction power, eliminating the need for manual settings. The LED touchscreen makes operation easy, allowing you to switch between 4 cleaning modes, monitor battery life, dust cup levels, and filter maintenance. Its rotatable brush head and LED floor lights help you reach every corner, while the anti-tangle roller ensures hassle-free cleaning. With up to 55 minutes of runtime, a large 1.5L dust canister, and extra attachments, this vacuum is perfect for whole house cleaning. Number 2. Introducing the iLife H70 Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner, designed for powerful, efficient, and hassle-free cleaning. Whether you're tackling pet hair, dust, or everyday messes, the $180 motor ensures strong suction power for a spotless home. With a large 1L dust cup, you won't need to empty it frequently, making your cleaning routine more efficient. Its bagless design and advanced filtration system help maintain consistent suction while reducing allergens in your home. Enjoy up to 40 minutes of runtime, allowing you to clean multiple rooms without recharging. The flat suction nozzle makes it easy to reach tight corners and under furniture, while the handheld mode is perfect for cleaning stairs, upholstery, and car interiors. Certified by CE and GS, the iLife H70 is lightweight, reliable, and easy to use. Upgrade your cleaning experience with powerful, cordless convenience today. Number 4. Introducing the S16 Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner, built for powerful, efficient, and versatile cleaning. With 35 kPa suction power and a 450 W digital motor, this vacuum provides deep cleaning for carpets, hardwood floors, and pet hair. Enjoy a wireless, hassle-free experience with a long-lasting Li-ion battery that delivers up to 59 minutes of continuous runtime. The LCD display keeps you informed about battery life, suction power, and operating modes, allowing you to clean with precision. The 12L Cyclone Dust Box and HEPA filtration system capture 99.9% of fine dust and allergens, ensuring a healthier home. Its 6-in-1 functionality includes multiple attachments for mopping, sweeping, and suctioning, making it the ultimate cleaning tool. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, the S16 Pro vacuum features a turbo brush to handle even the most stubborn dirt. Upgrade to powerful cordless cleaning today with the S16 Cordless Stick Vacuum. Number 5. Introducing the iLife G80 Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful and lightweight cleaning solution designed for homes with carpets, hard floors, and pet hair. With 22 kPa of suction power, this vacuum effortlessly lifts dirt, debris, and fine dust, making cleaning faster and more efficient. The LED illumination feature ensures that no dust or pet hair goes unnoticed, even in dark spaces like under furniture or along baseboards. The cordless design provides ultimate flexibility, allowing you to clean anywhere, anytime, without being restricted by cords. With a long-lasting battery, enjoy up to 45 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning, reducing the need for frequent recharging. The high-efficiency filtration system captures fine particles, improving air quality and reducing allergens in your home. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, the iLife G80 is designed for hassle-free cleaning. Whether it's daily maintenance or a deep clean, this vacuum is built to keep your home spotless. Upgrade your cleaning experience today with iLife G80.